Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into some common financial mistakes many young adults make, and more importantly, simple ways to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your money habits, this quick guide is for you. Mistake 1. Overspending and living beyond your means. Many young adults buy things they don't really need or spend more than they earn. It's tempting to keep up with friends or social media, but overspending leads to debt and stress. Quick tip: make a budget. Track your money for 1 month, all your expenses. Then create a plan to spend less than you earn and save the rest. Mistake 2. Not saving for emergencies. Life throws unexpected bills our way: car repairs, medical costs, or losing a job. Not having an emergency fund forces you to borrow money or use high-interest credit cards. Quick tip: start small. Aim to save at least $500 to $1,000 in a separate savings account. Build it slowly until you have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. Mistake 3. Ignoring retirement savings. Retirement might seem far away, but delaying saving is costly. Thanks to compound interest, starting early means your money grows faster over time. Quick tip: put even a little money into a retirement account each month, especially if your employer offers a matching program. Your future self will thank you. Mistake 4. Accumulating high-interest debt credit cards and payday loans can have sky-high interest rates. Carrying balances means you pay more every month just to cover the fees, not your actual purchases. Quick tip: always pay off your credit card balance in full each month. If you have debt, focus on paying down the highest interest cards first. Mistake 5. Ignoring financial education. Money can be confusing. Many young people don't take the time to learn basic financial skills, leading to poor decisions. Quick tip: make financial education a habit. Read books, watch videos like this, or take free online courses. The more you know, the better your money decisions will be. Remember, no one starts perfect. What matters is building good habits early. Budget well, save smart, avoid debt, and keep learning. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more simple finance tips. See you in the next video.